cropping rotation. The cropping system of rice, wheat is grown on largest area of the world, including India and South Asia. These crops grown on 13.5 million hectare and are recognized as the important crops for food security in South Asia. Rice wheat is followed in Indo-Gangetic plains of Bangladesh, India, Nepal, Pakistan of South Asia, and this plain has the fertile alluvial soils. Similarly, this system is practiced as most profitable system in IGP, means Indo-Gangetic Plain states of India as Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Bihar, and West Bengal. Indo-Gangetic Plain is also known as Indian Green Revolution region, also called as food bowl or food basket, and registered about 15% of the total geographical area of India. This plain, which is suitable for taking double or triple crops in a year, for providing food security to the Indo-Gangetic Plain population with the production of about 50% of the total food grains of the country to feed 40% of the population of India. However, rice wheat rotation of the Indo-Gangetic Plain occupies 53% of the total area of the country and about 42% of the total farming area of the India. India has the second rank in the production of rice and wheat in the world. These crops producing large amount of residue. In the 4 zones of IGP, the 3 cropping system, rice wheat, rice fallow, rice mustard summer rice are grown. But the rice wheat is the predominant system in this area, which has the 72% of the total arable area. Factors for spreading rice wheat system. Number 1, more adoption ability than other cropping systems. Availability of improved cultivars. Third, mechanized cultivation of rice and wheat. Factors for higher productivity of the system. Better favorable conditions of production means fertile alluvial soil, better irrigated conditions. Third, favorable conditions as hot and humid summer and cold to mild winters for the growing of rice and wheat crops than other grain crops. Main challenges of the Indo-Gangetic Plain areas. Number 1, climate change is the global environmental issue which impact the crop productivity, natural resources as soil, irrigation water, fresh water supply, and health of the population of Indo-Gangetic Plain. And second, growing of same crops for longer period, which will impact the soil properties. And third one, excessive irrigation is also deteriorate the soil health. Shifting of population from rural to urban area means urbanization. Urbanization impact the agricultural land. It reduces by the urbanization. Increasing of insect pest, nutrient imbalance by the use of these crops from the soil, burning of rice and wheat residue, It's a great challenge. And the depletion of water and the global warming, fast increasing of population, deterioration of soil health, occurrence of soil salinity in the area of Haryana, southwest Punjab, and declining of underground water, particularly in central and western UP, Punjab, and Haryana. Floods during rainy season in Bihar and West Bengal. And now we will discuss the production and consumption of residue. The residue from the rice wheat system reported as 34% comes from rice and 22% from wheat crop, most of which is burnt on farm. In India, on an average, 500 million tons generated of crop residue per year, while a maximum crop residue is used as fodder, fuel for domestic purpose, and raw material for different industrial purposes as energy and paper production. The majority of residue from rice, wheat, maize, jawar, ragi, and bajra are used as cattle feed. And cotton, chili, pulses, oilseed are used as fuel for household needs. Rice husk is mainly used as fuel in boilers and bagasse in energy or paper industries. Crop residue surplus. The amount of surplus crop residue available in India is about 141 million tons in a year, out of which 92 million ton is burnt each year. The two crops as rice and wheat are produced large amount of residue in India. Globally, biomass production from agriculture is about 140 billion metric tons reported in February 2009. Sugarcane tops are generally surplus residue which are burnt after the harvesting by the farmers in the fields. Other crops as oilseed, pulses, chili, and cotton are generate surplus residue which is used as fuel. The residue after the harvested of these crops are burned in the fields or used as fuel at home by farmers. There is also available potential biomass of bamboo plant. There is no surplus residue from fodder crops which is used as cattle feed. Surplus crop residue density. The surplus crop residue density as per square kilometer availability was found maximum in the states of Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, and Tamil Nadu. In Punjab, the rice wheat is the predominant cropping system which is very profitable. These crops are producing crop residue of 51 million tons in Punjab. The paddy produced crop residue as estimated of 22.9 million tons and equally produces wheat. Reported as 95% of paddy straw and 23% of wheat straw is burnt in the field. The major reasons for the burning of residue are lack of wires for power generation or other purposes, little time for planting succeeding crop, lack of labor and financial assistance from government. The farmers are benefited from management of rice straw. by improving soil properties as soil health, water contents, reducing the use of less amounts of fertilizer, irrigation water for the planting of next crop, ultimately increasing the productivity of succeeding crop. Annual income of the farmers significantly increased. Rice straw or poor cattle feed due to higher content of silica in rice, so its straw management is greatly challenged. So thank you very much.